everyone, welcome back into this channel. Today I would like to show you the way how you can change the pink or dark pink color background into other color only with your iPhone and Instagram. Make sure that you already update or upgrade your iOS system into the new ones to access this feature. Open your photo and then you just need to pick the picture that contain the pink or dark pink background on it. I've got one, so I already got this pink background, and if you want to change the color of this background, it's so simple and easy. Now we just need to go tap into the object of this video, tap, and there will be like a glass shining just like across the picture. Go click copy, and then just need to go back into your home screen and open your Instagram right away. The next thing you need to do is make sure that you already open it, and then you just need to open the Instagram story camera. Now you just need to tap or find the background that you want to have here. I would like to have this type of background, so this is the main picture that I've got. Now we just need to tap into this alphabet, tap into the cursor and just click paste, and you will got this object is copying into your screen, and then you just need to adjust the size. Right after you're done, you can just like save this. Click the three small dot and save, and you are totally finished. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed this a lot, and let's meet again into other tutorial.